Wall Street's big seven are now bigger than China's entire economy. Let that sink in, I guess, is what the colloquial saying was. As of July 17th, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, and Broadcom together reached a staggering $18.84 trillion in market value. That figure now exceeds China's 2024 gross domestic product, which stood at 134.9 trillion yuan, roughly 18.7 trillion when converted at the current exchange rate. Market cap versus GDP, not the same thing. However, this valuation supremacy is fueled by a concentrated wave of investor enthusiasm around artificial intelligence and future cash flow generation. NVIDIA alone now holds over 4.2 trillion in market cap, riding a 2024 rally powered by powered by GPU dominance on AI workloads. Yet, while the headline comparison is striking, it's important to recognize that the market cap and the GDP measure entirely different things. One is the total value of a company's stock at a moment in time. The other tracks the entire country's economic output over a year. One is a stack, the other is a flow. So the comparison, while headline worthy, is not economically sound. Still, the fact that just 7 U.S. companies are now worth more than China's entire economy says a lot about how much confidence investors have in American tech. Well, comparing Wall Street's Big Seven to China's entire GDP generates headlines. A fairer and more financially sound comparison pits the largest U.S. companies against the largest Chinese companies by market cap, and the results are still striking. As of July 17th, the combined market cap of China's 7 biggest publicly traded firms stood at just 2.3 trillion, or 12% of the 18.84 trillion commanded by the U.S. tech titans. By comparison, NVIDIA alone has a market cap of 4.2 trillion, nearly double the value of China's top 7 combined. So the idea here is that this is just to give you an idea of how strong these American companies are. And frankly, if you read through here, this is why the United States has leverage, and this is why it's working.